KCET 2026 aspirants, finally the wait is over. The most awaited Lakshya KCET 2026 is here. An offline coaching and offline batch where you can study from the best teachers, the best faculty in Deeksha Vedantu, in your own Deeksha Vedantu, to get admissions in some of the finest colleges of Karnataka, right? So what will you be getting in this Lakshya KCET 2026? Let's look at that. First, it's an offline coaching center. So in all the campuses of Deeksha Vedantu, it will be available. The coaching will be available. To know which campus you will be getting the nearest to you, you can directly call on this number for now. That is 9513-743-927. You can directly call on this number and know which campus will be the nearest to you. Now, what exactly will you be getting in this Lakshya KCET 2026, right? Let's look into that. Where do we have? Okay, so the very first thing is Lakshya KCET Crash Course for 2026, right? Now, let's see what is the legacy we carry. Why do we boost this course this much, right? 60 plus ranks in the top 100 KCET 2026 was 2025 it will be here. That was from Deeksha Vedantu. That means 2 out of 3 students secure admission in RVCE, MSRIT, PES, even MIT, right? 1538 students successfully enrolled in the top colleges. That is why Lakshya is this much of a big deal. What is so much important is focused learning. So you will be getting all comprehensive PCM syllabus covering all the KCET topics, 9 weekly tests with 6-part tests and 18 full-length tests while you were in campus, when you have to go there physically, not just an online batch, right? Then teacher monitored study hours for residential students. What is residential students? Let's look into it in just a second, right? So what will be exactly you will be getting in KCET? Yeah, so a very important thing, this batch is starting from 20th of March 2026. So make sure you are enrolling it right away as soon as you go through this video, and there will be a video how to enroll it. So go watch that. You have to get it right away to get into your dream college that will lead to your dream life, right? So first it will be starting from 20th March and will lead till 20th of April, right? Mode can be residential as well as day scholar. Correct. Schedule will be what? You will be having 2 sessions. Morning sessions you will have 8:30 to 3:30, in which you will have all the concept coverage plus problem solving. You won't only just getting conceptual and theoretical part, but you will also be doing all the numericals, all the questions as well. That has come in KCET, right? And then evening session from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you'll have break from 3:30 to 6. Then from 6 to 9 there will be practice tests and with doubt clarification, right? Now let's see what kind of tests you will be getting. As I said, 9 weekly tests cover recently taught topics in that week. Whatever the covered topics were, you will be giving the test, right? Then 6-part test focus on 50% syllabus each. Then 18 full length tests mimic the KCET exam format. So you will be, it's kind of before your final KCET examination, you will be giving 18 KCET examinations just for your practice. How much confidence will it give you, right? So this all you will be getting in your Lakshya KCET batch. Now how will you enroll this? There will be a link in the description. Just go through that link and this website will open, right? Now in this website you have to fill your details. What you have to do? To block your seat, you have to put your name, then your email address, the one that is working, make sure it is correct, your correct phone number, and then a time slot from when you can get a call as soon as possible. If you want, if you are really excited to getting into a good college, then morning 9 to 11, afternoon 11 to 3, evening 3 to 7 p.m. Whenever you are free, you can book a call slot and a team from us, team representative from Deeksha Vedantu will call you, and you can clear all the queries you want. What are the campuses near you, how much the pay is, how much this course actually costs. So you can talk with them about everything. Okay, the residential, if you want hostel, if you just want to be a day scholar, everything you can get from them. Now this KCET, Lakshya KCET is a very trusted batch, is very trusted crash course. You can go look at the numbers, how many students has benefited from this. Only 3 days are left, my friend, only 3 days and 17 hours are left. So make sure you are booking your seat to secure your future. Right, that is it for this video. Make sure you're clicking the link in the description and booking your slot in the best future you can. Tata.